Hey everybody, this is Bhaskar Prajapati. Welcome back you all in our channel Jagdish Education. So in this today's session, I'll be starting a new concept, that is web technology and application. It's one of the subject in 6th semester VTU Computer Science Engineering. Okay, so basically the subject name is web technology, web and its application. Okay, so this is subject name and the subject code is 18CS563. Okay, 18CS63. This is subject code and this is the subject name. So in this subject will be dealing with websites. What are the website? How they are working? Okay, so website in the sense we will be coming to know about HTML, CSS, cascading style sheet, JavaScript and Java query, and will be come to know how to connect our website to database, how we are performing operation on website, and so too much is there. So basically in this subject we will come to know totally about website, how a website is developed from scratch to top level. So let's begin.
Start.
So my dear friends, so in this whatever I have told, web technology and application, so if you have syllabus you can go through that syllabus and you can download from VTU website also. So in this web technology and application, in the first module we have to discuss about introduction of HTML. Okay, so introduction of HTML, and coming to the next, history of HTML. What are the basic syntax, cascading style sheet, okay, and what are the basic rules and all, something related to that introduction we come to know. Okay, so we are here to know three-dimensional question. Okay, so what is HTML, why we need HTML, and when it has came. Okay, so basically we have to know everything about anything. Okay, so HTML will know. HTML, what is the full form of HTML? Hypertext markup language. Hypertext markup language. Okay, so here we are getting a new word. Hyper we know, text we know. So basically here we are getting a new word, markup language. What is that markup language? So markup language is nothing but a computer language. Markup language is nothing but a computer language. Okay, so it's a computer language. Why we need markup language? Okay, so coming to the human being. Okay, so if you want to write a sentence, okay, so I've written one sentence. This is my first web page. Okay, so if someone tell make this my first as bold, how you'll do? A person being as a human, we will darken this one. Okay, we will dark this one, my first. Okay, being as a human we will dark this one. Okay, but coming to the web, how will tell the web that this word should be dark? We can't tell. Okay, so we are using some tags. Okay, in HTML some tags is there that we will be using to darken this my first. So that is nothing but markup. So for markup is nothing but we are using markup language to design a web page. That is only nothing but markup language. Markup language is nothing but it's a language which is used for designing a web page. So in basic general definition, what we are telling, HTML is nothing but HTML is a markup language for creating web page. Okay, so for creating web. Coming to our college, HKBK group of institution. So when you visit www.hkbk.edu.in, okay, so you will, one page will be open. So that is designed from HTML. So we can change the HTML page also. Okay, so something like margin, padding, some concept is there. Okay, in HTML we'll come to know. So we basic from that we are designing a HTML. We are designing web page by using HTML. So this is nothing but HTML. I have discussed why we need HTML, that I have discussed. HTML is used for designing web page. Okay, coming to the next one, when it has came. So It has came in 1991. 1991 it has got invented. Okay, so by Tim Berners-Lee. By Tim Berners-Lee. By Tim Berners Berners-Lee. Okay, so he is inventor of HTML and he is well-known father for WWE, World Wide Web. Of HTML. So basically, I have told already. Before going through any programmatic process, we have to go through the syntax. Otherwise, it will show an error. So whenever you are writing C program, you have to go through the for loop syntax. Okay, if syntax, while loop syntax, each if and each. So we have to go through the syntax process. So for everything there is a structure. Okay, so and even we human beings, we have to go through a routine. So basically for everything they have given one structure. We have to follow the rule and regulation. Okay, so what is the structure of HTML? What is the structure of HTML? Okay, so let's begin. HTML tag. Okay, then head session. In that title will be there, title. Okay, and here we will be writing my first web page. This is my web page. Okay, close the HTML tag, enter. Okay, then close the header tag. Okay, coming to the body. Okay, so body tag, in this write anything. This is my website. This is my website. Okay, so let it be H1. Okay, use this one. H1. Close body. Close HTML. Okay. So see, guys, I'll be telling. This is HTML tag. Okay, beginning of this structure of HTML tag, then head session. Okay, in this head session we'll be discussing what is this head session. Okay, so whenever you browse www.google.com, okay, repeat that. Whenever you open a web page, whenever you open a Chrome, or in that you will go or visit a web page, here they will be showing IP address or a web page name, and then some body will be there, like this is Greeks for Greeks. Okay, something will be there. Okay, so here they will be showing IP address or web address. Okay, so that is nothing but our head session. In this head session it will be showing this is my first web page. Okay, coming to this title, we are writing title of this web page. Okay, so within that head session title tag will become, and we will be writing this is my first web page. Remember guys, this slash, okay, we have to put for every ending of this one, like titles tag we have written here. So here we are title tag is ending, so we have to add slash. Okay, so title slash symbol is much necessary. So here head session head tag is going to be in, so we have put a slash here. Okay, coming to the body part, in the sense body part it will show in web page. Okay, coming to this our web page is there. Okay, this is address, so it will show whatever we have written here. This is my web page, this is my web page, it will show here. Okay, so this is nothing but our body tag. In that h1 I have used h1 here, h1 h1 h2 h3 h4 h5 h6, there are 6 tags. Okay, so h1 is the bigger one, then smaller, then smaller, then smaller, then smaller, then smaller. Okay, so h1 h2 h3 h4, they are nothing but they are just a tag. Okay, they are tag that indicates the sentence or word to be bigger or smaller. So h1 is bigger, then h2 is smaller, h3 is smaller, then h4 is smaller, h5 is smaller, h6 is smaller. So coming to the HTML, too many tags are there. Image tag is there, bold, italic, underlines, too much tag is there. So today in this today's session I'll be just discussing a structure of HTML. Okay, so HTML tag, beginning of this one. Okay, head, then title. In that title section we have to write what is the title of our web page, then close the head title tag, and then close the head tag also. In body section we have to write the content of web page. Okay, so this is just like a letter format, just like a letter format. Here in what you are writing in letter body, that is nothing but here body part. Okay, so whatever content you want to display on your web page, that you are going to display on your body section. So whatever you want to display, that you are going to write in body section, and then close the body section tag, and then close the HTML tag. This is nothing but a simple, very simple structure of HTML tag, then head section, then title section, close the title section, and then close the head section, body section, then close the body section, and close the HTML. This is very easy to remember HTML structure. So this is the basic structure. Okay, and the second thing is, guys, remember, always save the file name, with HTML extension. So I'll be writing, so this is just a web page, so web.html. So open a notepad. How to write this one? So you can install any editor. Okay, editor you can install, and you can create a new file. Go to new, and type this codes and save with web.html, and then open this web.html in any browser, Chrome, Firefox, Internet Explorer. You will come to know about this web page. So this is basic. This is from scratch level, from beginning. Okay, so from beginning I'm discussing how web technology and application, and how website is going to be developed. Okay, so this is nothing but a structure of HTML. Thanks, everybody. So coming to the next session, I'll be discussing HTML tags. Okay, and then we'll